Hi everybody， 欢迎大家又跟我们今天的 Simple Cooking 跟杨阿姨我们今天做的2个菜我给杨阿姨介绍一下。
嗨，大家好，今天我们做2个凉拌菜，一个是凉拌高丽菜，紫色的高丽菜，另外一个是凉拌苦瓜。这个是白色的苦瓜，我们自己菜园种的，2个凉拌菜。下面我们先来做一个紫色的凉拌菜。这个是紫高丽菜，我们洗干净以后，把它切成丝。然后在切丝的之前呢，我们的凉拌菜这个配料是一个是粉丝，一个是花生米、大蒜、花椒、胡椒粉、虾皮、盐、橄榄油。下面呢，我们先把粉丝先泡，因为这个可以提血，我们先泡。然后今天呢，我是想先用热水，姐姐放锅里烧一下，姐姐锅里烧快一点。然后呢，我们现在先来炒花生米。花生米呢，我选用的是这个红衣花生米，它特别香。用清水呢稍微洗一下，洗了以后，我刚才是用纸把它擦干了。等锅热的时候呢，我们加了一点油，少一点油就可以。然后呢，放2颗大蒜，放在油里面。然后再加花椒，这样炒出来的花生米特别香。
所以你的花生是生的吗？
对，生的炒熟。
So the first thing we're making here is a red cabbage salad, and we're going to use 粉丝, which is a vermicelli noodle. Inside we have purple cabbage. You can find in any supermarket. We have some peanuts to give it a roasty taste, garlic, of course, and a little bit of oil. So what Yang Ai is doing right now is she's just, firing everything up and making sure everything have its flavor brought out.
花生米呢，我们用中火，
花生米要一直搅，不然会焦，对不对？
对。
今天他用花椒跟大蒜来炒花生米，这是我从来没见过的。那杨阿姨最 strong part 就是她的最厉害，她会调味。所以大家要注意它怎么去调今天这些味道。Very strong, very nice taste.
It gives a lot of flavor.
They use a lot in the Sichuan cuisine. 四川麻辣，都是用花椒。
Yeah, so Sichuan mala is like a numbing, spicy kind of flavor. You see a lot of malatang is like a spicy, numbing soup with noodles. But today we're going to be making a cold salad with the noodle.
It's not going to be a spice, just a little bit strong taste with the 花椒。
一半快熟的时候，然后我们加盐。
We're going to put a little bit of salt.
味道会进去。
花生 need to be adding salt in the middle because usually we do it at the end. So now she's doing in the middle. Add some salt for the flavor. And 花椒你这样炸过以后就不麻了哈，吃了不会麻嘴。
对，它很香。然后现在花生米我们炒的这个颜色就差不多了。
Can you see it? Brown, a little bit brown. Okay. 一般花生在干了以后会再深色一点，所以这个差不多了。
对，现在我们就是放在这里，粉丝也差不多了。粉丝也大概泡在这里。下面呢，我们来切高丽菜丝。高丽菜呢，洗好以后就是这样，这里是1/4个高丽菜，然后我们切丝的时候不要把它剥开，就这样切，这样高丽菜顺着这一个丝就是这样切，你可以这样的话，它不会散开。然后这个高丽菜呢，一定要，因为它有一点硬，所以一定要用盐先把它腌一下。你可以放在水里煮一下也可以。
因为这样哈，因为美国人他们 coleslaw 就是这样，用生的，也生的去，
生的啊，
也就用盐这样就抓一下这样。
捏几分钟， 然后下面我们处理粉丝。
So right now, Yang Ai is rinsing the noodles after it was in the pan, get ready for the mix.
那下面呢，我们还要一个油。
这个一定要等它软哈，要整个这样整个软下去。
So she's mixing the lettuce.
差不多这个要腌它10来分钟。
The cabbage you have to marinate for 10 minutes with the salt, so soften a little bit.
然后我们大蒜，要切大蒜末。
So if anybody's interested in the type of ingredients we're using today, you can check it out on our website on glownyc.org. We're going to put the link in here for you guys to check out what you guys want to see later, okay?
这个油锅里面呢，我们加橄榄油。
你是用那种 virgin 的哈，看起来是那种凉拌那个很绿很绿。
然后加入，我是喜欢加这个花椒，放油里面炸一下，它会香。
那你花椒拿不拿出来呢？
拿出来等一下。
She want to make the oil have some taste in there, so put 花椒 again.
So she put some of the peppercorns in there with the oil, so it can, cook a little bit of the flavor out into the oil. So when we mix it, the oil is already seasoned.
这个用小火。
Today everything from scratch. Last time she prepared something, we're missing some steps. So this time everything from scratch.
现在已经出水了。
对，也已经软了，蛮好的。
So after a while, the cabbage will start to release some of its water, and you'll kind of see that the salt is seasoning the cabbage, and it's almost ready.
要把花椒炸得很焦吗？
出味道就可以了。
奇怪，它的，你看哈 ，take a look. Have to be brown with yeah, cooked 花椒 she usually will do it with a lot of vegetable. She's using a lot of 花椒。
如果你麻烦的话，我们就可以直接用这个花椒油。
If people have no time to cook that, you have the 花椒油。You see this?
对，就是放花椒油。
Chinese green pepper oil.
那我们这边油差不多了，然后我们可以把调料都放进去，
直接丢到这个 cabbage 里面。
对，等下油浇到上面。我们放大蒜。
Okay, later we're going to just use the oils too.
然后放虾皮，
虾皮先泡过水，
就是沥干一下，沥干。
Shrimp，
然后放
dried shrimp mixed into the cabbage, and Yang is cutting the fansu, the noodles, because you don't want it too long.
You make sure your garlic and shrimp stay on the side, so she will put the hot oil right on top of it to make the flavor come up.
还有胡椒粉。
Kind of like a dressing.
胡椒 black pepper.
好。
Now you see the smoke.
现在把油倒进去，我们要过滤一下，因为有花椒粒。
After the oil is ready, you can see it smoking a little bit. You're gonna drizzle it over your salad mix.
Oh, the smell come out.
And even though the oil is hot, the rest of the ingredients are still room temperature or cooler. So when you bite into it, it's still a cold dish.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect for the summer.
You just have to make sure you have the flavor. When everything cold, the oil just dropping like that, it doesn't have any flavor.
如果吃素的人呢，我们可以虾皮不放，大蒜也可以不放，放香菜。
Yeah, if you have dietary restrictions and you're a vegetarian or vegan, you just leave out the shrimp and you leave out the garlic.
然后再加麻油。
This is sesame oil.
I love sesame oil. I put that in a lot of my dressings too.
因为我们今天呢是用盐，你如果口味重一点的话，可以再放一点酱油，然后放一点醋就可以放。
So Yana, you said that, today's dressing is made with salt, but if you like soy sauce and vinegar, you can replace the salt with soy sauce and vinegar also.
I'm going to prove for her doing
喜欢
anything.
吃辣的呢， 可以放一点辣椒。
She said that if you like it spicy, you can put a little bit of chili oil.
够咸了是吧？
How's it, Ty?
It's good, but I would like to have some. 我觉得加醋会更好吃。
可以加醋。
Yeah, I think we need vinegar.
A little bit of vinegar.
Yeah.
A little bit of vinegar.
那么加醋的话呢，我们就要加糖。
Yeah, vinegar and sugar.
可以加糖醋。那么就根据自己的口味。
So the base is already created for us. If you guys like it saltier or sweeter or more sour, like a vinaigrette, feel free to use vinegar. Feel free to use some sugar.
Peanuts.
Oh,
Remember
peanuts.
the peanuts. Can you see it?
Definitely gives it a lot more flavor. You know, into the peanuts, it's a little crunchy. You know.
Yeah.
这一个就是粉丝拌紫高丽菜。
We finished with the first one. Now she's going for the second one.
Yang Ai is gonna make a bitter melon salad.
Oh, yeah, she forgot 花生米。
下面我们来做第二个菜型啊。这个是白色苦瓜，专门是凉拌吃的，很漂亮啊。
That is bitter melon, guys.
然后呢，这样对开以后，这样切薄片。
这个苦瓜我们刚刚10分钟以前，在开始以前才去pick up from the garden。苦瓜需不需要加点冰水啊什么，让它去点苦味呢？
我们可以放水里煮，也可以，就是煮几分钟，或者就是用盐把它腌一下。
OK，
两种方法都可以。
那盐弄完以后，要不要放冰水里面呢？
如果水里煮的话呢，我们就要放冰水里面。
那你比较喜欢用哪一种方法？
Hi, can you angle the camera a little lower? I want to see how Yang Ai is cutting the苦瓜. Is it sideways or straight?
那这个苦瓜呢，我想我们放在水里稍微煮它一下，
过一个水，
过水，马上用冰水。一条苦瓜对开，被切开以后，就这样。
Oh, okay.
就这样的薄片。
So after we cut the bitter melon in half down the middle, we chop them into little, C shapes, very thin. Make it like a chip.
然后呢，还用到我们今天用到黄瓜、红萝卜、玉米、蓝莓、鸡蛋。这个鸡蛋呢，我刚刚是煮熟了，白煮蛋。
那我帮你剥皮了，好吗？
好，红萝卜呢，我们把它切丁。因为今天我们用到的是melon汁，所以它是咸味的，所以我就不用那个用盐把盐太咸。
We always buy olive oil or mayonnaise. That's more healthy.
那水里呢，我们要加一点油，
在烫苦瓜的时候要加点油。
So when you're cooking the苦瓜, the bitter melon, in the pan full of water, we add a little bit of oil in it.
然后可以加一点盐。
It looks like it's almost boiling, right?
然后水开以后，我们就加进去红萝卜跟苦瓜。
红萝卜也要进去。
对，红萝卜不然的话太硬。
And the carrots that Yang Ai prepared, it goes into it also with the bitter melon.
刚才水开放下去，然后煮到水开就可以捞起来了。
After water boil, you can take it off. Just take off the taste, soften a little bit.
And it looks like you have an ice bath ready, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna put the vegetables in the ice bath after.
The 苦瓜 we have is very good. It's a 白苦瓜. It's not the green one, it's a white one. It's not that bitter. 还是蛮久的哈，要整个大滚哈。You have to be really boiled. You see that?
好，煮开了。那这边呢，我们是冰水，把它放在冰水里面估量一下。
这样吃起来又脆脆的哈，
脆脆的。然后我们因为是奶奶芝士冰的嘛
，crunchy after you put in ice water。
下面呢，我们把这个配菜放进去。这个是半根黄瓜，把皮削掉。我们把它切成丁，然后鸡蛋。
So we cut some egg to throw into our salad, cucumbers, some blueberries, some corn.
蛋黄可以放在一边。
So Yang Ayi likes to separate out the egg yolk first, but it will still also go into the salad.
然后这个玉米粒、蓝莓、
some blueberries, some corn.
蛋黄，这个是刚刚做好的。
所以这样营养也够了。你看又有蛋，对不对？还有所有的 vegetable， 还有红萝卜，这都是营养。
因为这个奶奶汁里面什么味道都有，所以我们不要需要加很多其他的调料。然后再加奶奶汁，这个呢可以根据你自己的口味，一般是这样烤出了3勺差不多。
Wow, that looks very creamy, very nice and light.
Colorful too.
Colorful means healthy. So is this one whole 苦瓜, one whole bitter melon?
You almost use one the whole thing.
好，这样拌好以后，我们就可以了。它不需要再加什么香油啊，什么不要加。
The utensil, the plates always very important to display the food. So if you've got something ready, a square, a glass bowl, so nice you can put on the party table.
这个是2瓣苦瓜。我们可以放冰箱。
Make it cold, chill it for half an hour or an hour.
Okay, so this is the 2 dish that we have for today. I'm going to bring the camera over so you guys can see it.